Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce to you this 2020 Aston Martin DBS Superleggera. So this car is finished in Xenon grey metallic, which is a fantastic colour. It's kind of dark and moody in some lights, and then vibrant and metallic-y in others. It's got a wonderful fleck to it that we might be able to see as we go around the car. So starting at the rear, it's got the quad exhausts finished in matte black, and you can see this beautiful carbon fibre detailing down here along with the rear diffuser. Moving upwards, smoked rear lamps. They're an option, they go really well with Xenon grey. And you can also see at the back here the carbon rear spoiler. Now, I'm going to pop the boot. Let's have a look inside the boots. It's a good sized boot, so the idea is you could put in there a couple of sets of golf clubs, or indeed 4 carry-on cases for an airplane. So plenty for a long trip. And of course, the other thing you can do is put luggage on the rear seats. Again, use of lightweight materials. You can see the carbon fibre detailing just around this boot line there, which is just beautiful. Reminds you that this is a lightweight car. It's lighter than DB11, yet with considerably more power. Now, from the side, got these beautiful twin spoke wheels with black inserts. They're all in perfect condition, but they really do set off the car, combined with the black roof and black roof strake that goes across, which gives a great two-tone effect to the car as you view it from the side. Coming round to the front, again, no issues with that wheel. That's no curbing, it's perfect condition. The iconic badge on the bonnet. Then you have more carbon fibre visible on the front splitter at the bottom, which again is a vulnerable aspect to the car, but in this example it's perfect, it's beautiful. Same for the bonnet. It is essentially chip free. Taking a step back just to look at the passenger side. Again, all of these wheels perfect, and same for the rear. Let's take a look at the interior space. Okay, so this has this lovely sporty Alcantara finish, which really suits the DBS because of course it is such a monstrously powerful car. Dark Aston Martin wings, electric memory seats on both sides, as well as heated, and they also have electric lumbar support on this example. Piano black wood finish. You can see the speakers there for the Aston Martin premium audio system. Now, I'll just tilt the seat forward so you can see there is 2 belted seats in the rear. You can create a bit of space by moving the front passenger seat forward and find a balance. It's not huge, but it certainly is useful to take rear passengers from time to time. And then looking at the centre console there, sports steering wheel, full electric adjustment, cruise control and an infotainment system. You've got a touchpad control there in the centre, a beautifully appointed, handcrafted cabin. So rather usefully, this car comes with the balance of the manufacturer's warranty, which is 3 years from date of registration. It also comes with the first 5 services included. Should you wish to reserve this car, you can do that on our website. Alternatively, you can call us and we can arrange for you to view the car and for contactless delivery. Thank you very much for watching.